Okay, let's look at an example of what we call walking the bands. We're going to use Air Products and Chemicals Inc. here with, again, a 20-day moving average and a standard deviation multiplier of 2 for the upper and lower band. Now what you've got here is a fairly classic, what you've learned earlier, W bottom, okay, with a corresponding breakout right here, and then another breakout right here. But what I wanted you to note is see how this hit the upper channel right here and has really just walked its way up the channel. So this goes to show you that when you're looking at Bollinger Bands, it's not necessarily a sell point when it hits the upper band and a buy point when it hits the lower band. When you get breakouts like you've had here and here, where this is hanging on and closing above the upper band, those are very bullish signals. And so you want to look at this as a potential buy opportunity because there's huge strength behind this particular move. Now another thing that I want you to note is this basing pattern right through here. You'll see that you see how the upper band and the lower band become very close to each other and carry straight across. Now the important thing that I want you to note here is this is a classic basing pattern, a flat base. And so you've got an uptrend with a flat base. And then you'll notice here that on the bottoms of this basing pattern, the stock never fell below the lower band. That's very important. So that means that there's good strength here, and you're going to want to look for these breakout points, which is right here, and you'll see how this stock walks the upper band again. And then you'll see a corresponding pullback, and then another rally, and then it walking the band again through here. And then you'll see it going into a flat base, but in this case, you've got it closing below the lower band, so you're looking at a stock that is probably going to try to reverse gears at this point. So a good example of walking the bands and how you can manage that trade and what you should be looking for.